Dead. Done. Forgotten. That's what everyone said about GameStop. A failing video game chain doomed to disappear. Wall Street was ready to finish it off. Again. But then, something no one saw coming shattered everything. What if I told you a group of internet strangers took on the biggest hedge funds and actually won? What if the system designed to keep the rich cracked wide open right before our eyes? This isn't just about stocks. It's about power, about rebellion, about the little guy punching way above his weight. And it all started in a forgotten corner of Reddit. GameStop was dead. Everyone ignored it. Until suddenly, it wasn't. Not anymore. It started in a dark corner of the internet, a place called Wall Street Bets on Reddit. No fancy suits, no billion-dollar funds, just everyday people fed up with the system. They found a secret. Hedge funds were betting billions against GameStop. They were short-selling, betting the stock would fall so they could make easy cash. The plan? Kill GameStop's stock, crush the company, pocket billions. But the Reddit army had a plan. Buy and hold. Buy so much the price couldn't fall. Slowly at first, then faster, then insane. Hedge funds laughed. "You're amateurs," they said. But every share pushed the price higher. The hedge funds' nightmare began. Suddenly, short sellers lost billions. Their bets exploded in their faces. Panic spread through Wall Street like wildfire. They had to buy back shares fast to cover their shorts. But buying shares sent prices skyrocketing. It was a trap, a short squeeze no one saw coming. GameStop's price blasted from $20 to $50, then $100, then over $300, all in weeks. Headlines screamed, "David versus Goliath." Reddit traders humiliate Wall Street. The little guys win. Millions joined the frenzy. The stock bounced wildly. The thrill was electric. Then, boom. Robinhood and other apps froze buying. No more GameStop shares. The internet exploded. Rigged! Market manipulation. Wall Street's dirty tricks. Protests ignited online. Governments asked questions. Regulators launched probes. Lawsuits flew. But the price kept swinging up, down, wild beyond belief. Some made fortunes overnight. Others lost everything. Behind the scenes, hedge funds scrambled. Billions wiped out. Some went bankrupt. The rebel traders tasted power. They shattered the illusion of control. But GameStop was more than a stock fight. It exposed a dark truth. The market is fragile. Power isn't spread evenly. The system is rigged. The little guy, still at risk, still trapped in a broken game. And the biggest question remains, was this a revolution or a dangerous game ready to blow up? What if this was only round one? What if the real war is hidden in the shadows? What if Wall Street plots a brutal comeback? Smarter, harder, deadlier. The GameStop saga shook the world's financial core. But the real story? It's just beginning. Will the rebels rise again? Or will the giants rebuild stronger walls? The game has changed. Or has it? What if the GameStop battle was just the opening scene? What if something far darker is coming? Something no one is ready for? The future of investing is at stake. Are you ready to watch the next move? Here's what no one talks about. This wasn't just a stock battle. It was a battle for trust. Trust in a system deciding who wins and who loses. Trust in rules supposed to be fair. But what if the rules were broken for years? What if power isn't just lopsided, but rigged? The Redditors didn't just fight hedge funds. They challenged the whole machine. And the machine fights back. The GameStop saga opened a door. Behind that door, secrets, manipulations, hidden power plays, stuff only the richest know. Now, imagine what else lurks behind other dying companies. What if GameStop was just the tip of the iceberg, the first domino in a chain reaction shaking the market? That's why Wall Street froze GameStop trading, why apps like Robinhood blocked buying. Because one thing is clear, control is everything. Lose control and the system unravels. Millions saw a chance to fight back. Millions took it. But millions lost everything. That's the cruelest twist. This wasn't just a win or loss. It was a glimpse into chaos, a warning shot, a glimpse of what happens when rules bend too far. So what happens now? Do the little guys regroup? Or does Wall Street tighten its grip? The game has changed forever, but the next move could break everything. Who will control the future of investing? The question isn't if the battle continues, it's who will survive when it